Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss some new options of photo editing in the photo editor app. So now we will open this app. This is its starting interface, you can see as well. Click on the photo option and select desired photo which you want to edit. I'll select this photo which I used in the previous videos. We have discussed crop option, filter option in the previous videos. Third option is adjust, but adjust option we have discussed in this filter option. So we will discuss another option of editing. Now we will discuss effect option today. You can see many more editing options are available in this effect tab. So we will discuss one by one. Let's discuss about light effects option. I'll click on it and you can see there are many light effects available in this tab. Some are in pro mode, paid mode, and some are free. We can apply on this photo by clicking on our desired light effects effect and move it as we want and make it brighter and lighter by moving this cursor. You can also apply which light effects you want to apply and you like. You can make it lighter and brighter and make its position by dragging it and set it where you want. As you are see, you can also set it where you want to set on the photo. You can see many options are available as well. These are pro and paid options and these are free options. So we will discuss free options in the video. You can see dust and scratch light effects also available and you can apply as your choice. You can make them brighter and lighter by moving this cursor and place effects where you want to place on the photo. You can see so many hundreds of effects are all available in this light effects option. So you can apply and you can select which effect you want to apply on your desired photo. See these options. Light and shadow options are also available. These are unique. You can drag it up, down, anywhere you want to place on the photo and make it darker and lighter with the help of this cursor. Many more options are also available. Glitch options are also available in this light effect tab. Shadow options, dreamy lighting, plastic warp options are also available, but some are paid and some are free. So you can select as your choice and option. Hundred of effects also available in this light effects effect tab. Now move on to another option which is neon. You can see many cool options and many cool effects also available in this tab. apply this on your desired. Many love effects, line effects, wing effects are also available. We can also make them zoom in or zoom out or place it where you want. You can see I am zooming in it. Next option is drip option. You can change its color by color menu. Many color options are also available, and many drip options are also available. Some are paid and most are free. In this tab we have background and sticker options also. We can change background color from here and add background effects, background designs from there. In this tab you can see, select any background animation you want to apply on your photo and select your desired color you want to apply. Same like this, stickers are also available. Many stickers are also available. Love sticker, emojis, customs, cute, flower, many more stickers also available. 100 of stickers also available as well. Friends, we will discuss next options in the next video, because video is getting much lengthy. So hope you like my video. My video helped you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.